welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're going to cook our final dish, which is jerk chicken. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients of what we're going to be using today. So we have the chicken, the leg and thigh quarter, and we have some salt in here. We have the wet jerk seasoning. We have the dark soy sauce, the dry jerk seasoning, and some dry thyme, and then we also have a sealed plastic bag. So first thing first is that we're going to wash the chicken. So I've got a bowl here, so we're just going to put the chicken in, and then we're going to wash it. So what I've done to the chicken is cleaned it as much as possible by taking off the hair. We haven't got the driblets there, and just clean the knuckle of the chicken. So now we're going to give it a wash with some salt. So we're going to just put the salt on the chicken, run it over some cold water. We're just going to give that a rinse. You wash it well. So now the chicken has been washed and cleaned and dried. There's no excess water in there. So now we're going to apply the seasoning. First off, we're going to apply the wet jerk seasoning, which is 1 tablespoon. Then we're going to apply the dry jerk seasoning, so that's 2 tablespoons. So we just measure that out. 1, 2. Apply the dark soy sauce, which is 2 tablespoons. And last, we're going to apply a teaspoon of dried thyme. So we're going to mix all of that together. Don't need the spoon, just going to get tuck in, mix that all. So now all the seasoning is covering the chicken. What you need to do is put the chicken in a sealable bag and then refrigerate it to marinate for about 24 hours. But we haven't got time for that, so what we're going to do is put it in the oven. So we've preheated the oven at 200 degrees, and now we're just gonna, and inside we have the baking tray, which I've covered with foil. So now we're going to just take that out and place the chicken on the foil to cook. So we're just going to line those. Now we're just going to place that back in the oven and set the alarm for 45 to, say, 50 minutes. There you go. So we've taken the chicken out, and this is how it looks after 50 minutes. It's all ready. So now what I'm going to do is chop the chicken. So this is how it looks when it's cooked, and as you can see, it's cooked down to the bone. There's no red, so that's ready to plate up. So I'm just going to chop the rest of the chicken. Have a side of white rice to accompany the jerk chicken. So there you have it. We have oven baked jerk chicken, and we have a side of rice, and we've got some homemade jerk sauce. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Until next time, have a good week.